Guys, this is part 6. We're going grocery. Hey family.
Happy?
Why are you? Hey, why are you sad?
Happy.
He's not happy. I'm gonna hug you.
Not
We're not happy. We're not happy. We're so happy. Where are they? Oh. I'm gonna show you the big Christmas tree. Whoa, big. Whoa. So we're gonna go make the line and so many people. So guys, wait. Small Christmas tree.
Good evening,
Wow! It's a cute puppy. It's a cute puppy. Where are they? They're here. So beauty products. Where's our auntie? You're sad again? Why are you sad?
Pagbalik na lang pag kumapon.
Why is she sad? I mean sad, not sad. So, I'm gonna show you our way. Whoa! Look at that! Mall. Going to the mall. I'm at the mall. Hey, come on. Skinny jeans. Hey, okay. I want to do dance like juju on the beat, juju on the beat, juju on the beat. Dance like so. Whoa. Where are we going? Where's the grocery? Illusion. Oh. Mannequin. Africa. It's big. I'm here. My grandma thought I was lost.
I'm gonna send to the bookstore.
Yeah, she's going to the bookstore. Where is no camera around?
Pagkatapos ng grocery.
This is the grocery? Oh no. Shoes factory. Just kidding. It's a shoe store. I mean, shoes store. Okay. Whoa. Look at that. Is this the grocery? You won't believe what I saw. Now we're going to the grocery. Grocery is fun. Let's go down to the escalator. Fun.
Sa bookstore.
Oh my gosh.
Bookstore.
So cool. Gonna jump. Whoop. Yep. Oh, tumawin na po ko.
May ako sa likod.
Pwede na tayo dito.
Are we gonna get that?
Get that. See.
Are we gonna get that? This?
Yan ako.
Look at that.
Nagawa na naman. Ay, dalawa lang kaya. Ito na lang.
This one. Now I'm gonna hear. I'm here at the front. Now you're here. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Sky. Look at that. Oh. Hey, what about me? No.
Big boy ka na eh.
Matatapunan sila ng bibili.
Oo.
I'm so jealous.
Lalagay namin.
Oh my! Is this dragon fruit? It's dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. So,
Uy, adobe! Adobe! Ito yung mga ako.
the angel. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit.
Nag-deal sila doon sa
Dragon fruit. Apple. Lemon apple. I mean lemon.
Lemon, apple, apple.
Apples. White apples. Orange apples. It's an orange. It's a case.
107 pala isa. Yayaman talaga ng sila.
It's dragon fruit. So good.
Ay, gano'n.
So, are we gonna move? Oh yeah, forgot. This is part 6. If I said that this is a part 6, then I'm so dumb. So this is part 6. The mall. Look at that. Whoa.
Daming pinadala ng mga kaibigan namin.
No, wait. Guys, double chin. Wait, guys.
Kaya pa na naging ganyan.
I'm gonna wait. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh. Yeah. You're not moving. So, wait again. Now we're gonna move.
Hi.
Ay, sa gatas agad. Saka diaper.
Can you video the camera?
Face. Tawag.
Video the camera.
Yun so,
I'm gonna video it.
kasi kahit kainin na yun. Dati yung pero sabi ko kasi nanay kahit
Look at that.
hindi na magpili ka dyan. Umanap na kayo.
I'm riding it. Oh.
Hello. Leonardo ka. Ay, 4 ano ka na? Ay, 3 plus ka pa rin. Laki kang basan eh. Ayan, laki.
B.
Leonard, alis ka dyan.
B. Whoop. B.
Alis ka dyan, Leonard. Makakaipit tayo.
B. Okay, I'll stop now.
Mera, ito ba yun? Gatas mo.
So much baby milk. B. So much baby milk. Huh. So good.
Okay, hindi na kayo kasya.
But it's not for me.
Ilan yan eh? Ano, tatlo.
Be careful.
Akin yan, diba?
Sa'yo.
Sige, tatabunan kayo ng paninda. Yan, ang kulit nyo kasi.
Be careful.
Ayaw umalis dyan. Ayaw nyo umalis. Baka nababagsakan ko na kayo ng karton.
No!
Yan. May ano ka ba? May internet ka?
No!
Shoot naman ang ano.
Arna.
Sige na. Ano yung habang ano to?
So guys,
Kasi may pinakamalaki one.
oh my gosh. It's a hole. It's a hole. There's a whole point about this. Get it?
Akin na lang yung 6 plus.
If you don't get it, say to the comments below. No.
6 plus.
Get it? Comment below. Yes. Oh my gosh. Battery is low. Because I'm gonna end it here or now. This is the ending part.